In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Mailchimp Transactional email. So first head over to Mailchimp and log into your account. Then next at the top corner, click on the search bar and simply type in transactional email. Then click on it to open it up. So here we can actually use this feature and try it for free. Then next, we're gonna launch the app to activate it. So simply click on this button. And after activating it, we now need to generate our API key. So click on Add API Key. And here we can click on the copy button to copy our API key. You'll need this to connect your app. Now you need to verify your sending domain. So click on Set up your sending domain. And here you need first to add your domain. So simply type in your domain's URL and click on the Add button. From there, follow all the on-screen prompts and also add your DNS records that MailChimp provides to your domain host. This improves email deliverability and prevents your emails from going to spam. Then next in the transactional dashboard, create a template for your message like a welcome email or purchase confirmation. And make sure that you add dynamic fields so information like names or order details can be inserted automatically. Finally, use MailChimp's API in your app or backend to trigger the email. Now, when a user signs up or makes a purchase, your system calls the API and sends the template instantly. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!